Knowing the parts of the guitar will make you a more rounded musician and is the first step in learning the instrument. The head of the guitar, and these are the tuners. The tuners are used to tune the instrument and are attached to the head of the guitar. We turn the pegs to change the pitch of the notes and tune the instrument, which we'll be doing next. This is the nut, and the strings sit securely in the nut. The back part here is the neck, and the front part is the fretboard. The neck is what the guitarist holds when playing, and the fretboard is what the guitarist presses the strings against to get the different sounds and notes. Just quickly jumping in here, if you'd love to take a fun 30-day challenge to playing guitar, check out my book and online course, Guitar Star Academy. You'll get 30 daily lessons, and to learn your first 10 songs, there's checklists, practice guides, and new ways of thinking about learning, and a completion certificate at the end. You can grab your copy or enroll into the online course by clicking the link in the description of the video. This here is the body, and the body of the guitar rests against the guitarist. This is the sound hole, and the sound hole is where most of the sound comes from on the guitar. This here is what we call the bridge, and the bridge is what the strings are tied to.
If you loved today's video, consider subscribing to the channel and be first notified when we post new weekly videos just like this.